Hello students, welcome to the topic time series. Students, in the previous class we have discussed examples on method of least squares. So one of the method of least squares, that is fitting of exponential trend. So also we have solved one example. Students, in today's session I am going to solve one more example on fitting of exponential trend. So let us just read out the question. See, fit an exponential trend equation for the following data. Estimate for 2020. The first column year is given from 2014 to 2019. Next column value 1040 up to 155. Students, in the question, first we have to fit exponential trend equation. So after fitting the exponential trend, so this means we have to find out log A and log B values with the help of the formula. We know formula of log A and log B. With the help of that, we are going to find the value of log A and log B. So after finding log A and log B, next we have to estimate the value year of 2020. So up to 2019 the value is 155. So next we have to estimate the year 2020 value. That is second question. Okay. Solution. See, the first step is, as you know, first you count the number of values or the number of points. Here total 6 numbers are there. Means n is equal to 6 is an even number. Therefore, as you know, if even numbers are there, means in the middle values assign -1 and +1, okay, and write down remaining values of x, such that you know already summation x is always 0. So write year, then value is taken as y value. After write the x values, okay. So you know these are even number, so this means middle values you have to write -1 and +1. Middle year you have to write -1 and +1. After -1, -3, -5. Means odd numbers will increase. After -4, -7. So below positive values 1, 3, 5, 7, like that. So find out the x square. -5 square is 25. -3 whole square is 9. -1 square is 1. 1 square is 1. 3 square is 9. 5 square is 25. So next we want log of y values. Find the log of y values. Here log of y first value is 10. So then log of 10. First you count the digits. Here total digits are 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Log of 10 under 0 is 0, 0. Okay. Next log of 40. Digits are 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Log of 40 under 0 is 6021. Then log of 80. So 2 digits, 2 minus 1 is 1. So log of 80 in the logarithm table, log of 80 under 0 is 9031. So next log of 110 means 110. Here total digits are 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 point. Log of 11 under 0 is 0414. So next log of 130. Here also digits are 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 point. Log of 13 under 0 is 1139. Next log of 155. Total digits are 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 point. 15 under 5. Log of 15 under 5 is 1903. So log of in the logarithm table 15 under 5 is 2.1903. So after finding log of y values, next we want x into log of y. So then multiply x into log of y. Here x into log of y. Minus into plus is minus. Minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. minus into plus is minus, 3 into 1.6021 is 4.8063. Next, minus 1 into 1.9031 is minus 1.9031. Next, 1 into 2.0414 is 2.0414. So next, 3 into 2.1139 is 6.3417. Next, 5 into 2.1903 is 10.9515. Okay, so now you take the summation of x. As you know, summation x is always 0. Next, add summation x square total. After adding these values, here summation x square total is 70. Okay, after add log of y values, after adding these values, summation log of y is 10.8508. Then add these values, x into log of y. So after adding these values, summation of x into log y is equal to 7.6252. Okay, as you know, the exponential trend equation is y is equal to ab raised to x. So by taking logarithm on both sides, it becomes log of y is equal to log a plus x into log of b. So then write the normal equations. Dear students, it's very important. For 2 marks, we'll get the question as write the normal equations for exponential trend. For 2 marks, you have to write these 2 normal equations. So the first normal equation is summation log y is equal to n into log of a plus log of b into summation x. So for this equation, multiply x, it becomes second normal equation is summation x into log y is equal to log a into summation x plus log b into summation x square. So these are the 2 normal equations for exponential trend. So as you know, the first equation, if summation x is 0 means to find out the log of a value, the formula is summation log y divided by small n. So summation log of y is, as you know, 10.8508. Small n is total number of values are 6. So after dividing this, 10.8508 divided by 6 is log of a is 1.8085. Then find out the log of b values. The formula of log b is summation x into log of y divided by summation x square. So now you substitute the values. You know, summation x into log y total is 7.6252 divided by summation x square total is 70. So divide by this, 7.6252 divided by 70 is 0.1089. So log of b is 0.1089. So now you write the trend equation of exponential trend. So exponential trend equation is log of y is equal to log a plus log b into x. So log a value is 1.8085 plus log b value is 0.1089 into x. Students, it is very important that after finding log a and log b values, you have to write compulsory the trend equation. For this trend equation, you have 1 mark. Suppose if you miss to write the trend equation lastly, you lose 1 marks. Okay, so don't miss, you have to write the exponential trend equation for all the example. Students, the next question is, for this question we have to estimate the year 2020. As you know, for 2020 the corresponding value of x is 7. So to estimate the 2020 value, just in the place of x you substitute the value of x, that is 7. So this becomes log of y is equal to 1.8085 plus 0.1089, x is 7. So multiply this, 0.1089 into 7 is 0.7623. So add this. After adding these two values, log of y is equal to 2.5708. So as you know, y is equal to, if you log of value it comes RHS side, it becomes y is equal to antilog of 2.5708. So therefore then you have to see this in the antilogarithm table. So antilog of 0.5708 is, see in the antilogarithm table, 0.57 under 0. 0.57 under 0 is, the value is 3715. So antilog of 0.57 under 0 is 3715. So corresponding 0.57, mean difference under 8. Mean difference under 8 is 7. So this 7 you have to add 3715. So you have to add the mean difference value. So 3715 plus 7 is 3722. So the final value is 3722. See here 2 is there number. For these two you have to add one value. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So after 3 digit you have to put a point. So the final answer is 372.2. So the estimate of 2020 value is 372.2. Okay students, with this, see here. So students, this chapter is completely completed. So in the next class I am going to start the fourth chapter, means that is new chapter, that is interpolation and extrapolation. Thank you students.